My name is Melanie. I am currently in the GBS program and I'm from Shanghai. For me, I really love art and culture, so that was the biggest thing that I was looking for in New Haven. Yale has an amazing art museum and an amazing art program. The beautiful architecture, the School of Architecture, the School of Art, and there's a huge support for these programs and for a GBS students to take any art or film classes. So I'm someone who's very interested in creativity and entrepreneurship. I've been very involved in many of the entrepreneurship programs, including the Thai City. I come from a very diverse and global background. So for me, being international has always been a key aspect to my identity. And for me, looking at business from such an international and broad perspective made me very stimulated intellectually. I love it here, the atmosphere, the environment. Everyone is so intellectually curious, so passionate about what they're studying.